Veggies, veggies, and more veggies. Steamed, grilled, or roasted. Let's cook veggies so you'll crave them. Hi, it's Shandy Outry, and this is Clean Eating the Red Mountain Way. Nutritious, heart-healthy, Red Mountain-approved vegetables. Low-calorie condiments and seasonings like red wine vinegar, lemon juice, no sugar-added spices, and even packets of zero-calorie dressings. And the right cookware, steamers, grills, and roasting pans. Well, they'll all help carry you to your weight loss goals. So let's go step by step. First, the steaming method. My new favorite way is a bamboo steamer basket. Just line the basket with a piece of parchment paper and add your veggies. The paper prevents the wood from absorbing the vegetable flavors, and steaming this way retains the flavor, shape, color, and nutrients. Choose a pan that will fit the basket, add an inch or so of water, and set the steamer right in and cook for about 6 minutes right on the cooktop. These veggies taste so delicious. You don't even need seasonings, but if you like, a zero-calorie dressing is delicious. Another method is to use a stainless steamer basket. Choose a pot where the basket fits just right. Then add a little water to the pot. It's perfect for steaming small artichokes, and you can serve them with no-calorie mayonnaise. Your microwave will steam veggies too. Just add a little water to a microwave-safe bowl, add your veggies, and cover. I love using this microwave-safe topper. I just poked holes in a storage container and microwave the veggies for 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, let's talk grilling. I'm using a cast iron grill plate. Spray it with zero-calorie cooking spray, then add veggies that cook at about the same time. How can you resist this medley? Beautiful on a plate and so good for you. If you love the flavor of roasted veggies, I've got some ideas. Sheet pan cooking is a craze, and that's because it's so easy. Spray a baking sheet with zero-calorie cooking spray, and then add your heart-healthy vegetables. If you want to season them a little, you can use fresh herbs, a little salt, pepper, and even a spray of lemon juice. Wow! Again, irresistible flavor. So let's get a little fancy, because veggies shouldn't be boring, and this pinwheel is anything but. I'm using squash, onions, tomatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, and mushrooms. I've lined the pan with overlapping slices of vegetables. Then I fill the center with the rest. To season, I've added garlic powder, some red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. Then bake for about an hour at 350 degrees. It's almost too pretty to eat, right? And here's a neat idea for individual servings. Take a small springform pan, stack thin slices of squash, a layer of tomato, and more squash, and bake the same way as the pinwheel. When done, you'll end up with a little tower of goodness. Just lift it out, and boy, does it look pretty on a plate, and so tasty. So here you go. Steamed veggies, roasted veggies, grilled veggies, and fancied up stacked veggies. All part of creative clean eating the Red Mountain Way. For great products and more recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain Way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.